In a scathing public rebuke, Chabangu has denounced opposition leader Job Sikala, accusing him of becoming too big-headed and betraying his trust. However, sources close to Sikala's camp have disputed Chabangu's claims, saying he has a history of exaggerating his role in Sikala's release from prison. Chabangu claimed credit for negotiating Sikala's release, but insiders say this is a gross misrepresentation of facts. Despite this, Chabangu has vowed to distance himself from Sikala, predicting that his arrogance will lead to political downfall. "I will leave him to play his ball, but I know he's bound to fail," Chabangu said. "Politics will humble him." This public spat has sparked debate about Chabangu's credibility and motivations, with some questioning his true intentions. "We are not sure if this was really an account of Sengezo Chabangu, since he denied ownership of any social media handle.